Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Elevate, an app produced by Max Justin Mayer. So Elevate is the world's first done-for-you automation app that creates 100% automated software to cash in on autopilot. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click on the bell icon for notification, leave a comment and click the like, share, subscribe button. So what are some of the benefits of Elevate? I'm going to take you guys to the sales page. Let's see what these guys are saying about Elevate. So they are saying that it is, you have the done for you blog websites with multiple monetization methods and done for you articles to monetize your website. So no need to get on camera. You also have 100% free traffic, and that is traffic training included, and no tech skills or experience needed. You don't need no further investment, and it is 100% newbie friendly with detailed step-by-step training, and you have also the opportunity of them refunding you within 15 days if there's something you do not like. So this, you have the 15-day money back guarantee. So these are the benefits that they are saying that you will get from this app. Okay, let's go down and see maybe some of the testimonies or comments from people that are using the app already. So okay, so from Bill, Max, and Jake, they said this is more like a screenshot of the account, what they are making or what they have made so far. This is actually recent. This is on the 21st, 22nd, and then 19th, 14th of May this year. Actually, this is what they have made so far. And this is a screenshot of their account on Warrior Plus. So as of today, they made $807.95, and yesterday was $840.37. So guys, this isn't bad at all. And this is, like I said earlier, a screenshot from their Warrior Plus account. And guys, says that with this app it is $100 to 1K per day commissions. So pretty much this stuff is on steroids. So it will put your commissions on steroids. That's basically what they are saying. So you make more money and faster as well. So $7 commissions are a thing of the past. So having the right strategy is all that it takes. So this is from the decks of Max, Bill, and Chick. Says your light at the end of the tunnel. Hey there. Over the past year, we have managed to experiment with many different methods. Most of them were bad. We ended up spending more than $10,000 on useless methods that just didn't work. This was a big sum. This was a big sum, especially for someone who's a total newbie. Fortunately, for the past 2 months, I have been experimenting. We found a way to generate affiliate commissions without paid ads. There's no secret in the fact that having a done-for-you software lifts a heavy burden off your shoulders, and creating highly engaging content enables you to dominate the market like a pro. But being able to maintain and monetize them in order to have a sustainable monthly income is still a tough nut to crack. So this is what these guys are saying about this app. I'll take you guys, before we go any further, guys, don't forget to click on the link that is on the description box below. It's going to take you to my bonus page. Remember, I usually add 5 bonuses to the pack once you purchase through my link. So I'll take you, let's see, this is what I'm offering you guys today. So I have 5 bonuses. The first one is worth $427.95, and you have access to lockdown formula. The second one is $46.95, and you have access to 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. The third one is $344.95, and you have access to 5 email marketing tips for higher conversion. And then the fourth is $267. You have access to Nova and all the upsells. Remember, with the Nova, it applies to those that get it within the first 12 hours only. And then the last bonus is $497. You have access to all vendor bonuses. So guys, once you click, it's going to bring you to my page. And this, if you signed in through Warrior Plus, all you need to do is to click on the blue link or the blue button right here where it says access affiliate bonus. Click on it and then my bonuses will be added. If it is through JVZoo, click on the red arrow down there, then it applies. So now I've shown you my bonuses, and then let's talk about the pricing. So the prices and the upsell. So the front end is what, $19. Remember, if it is just the front end that you bought, my bonuses will still be added to your pack. And this front end is just basically the software and the training model. So if you upgrade to upsell 1, which is the backlink juice for higher ranking, is worth $37. So with this, you get high quality backlinks to your website to help your content rank higher. And then the upsell 2, which is the done for you email sequence, is $67. So you get 30 of their best converting swipes to put Elevate on autopilot. The third upsell is done for you blog articles, is worth $47. And then the fourth one, which is the unlimited traffic, is $97. So you have you get 4 additional secret traffic sources that these guys use to collect daily leads. The fifth one, which is the reseller right bundle, they actually have 2 reseller right bundles, and they are $197 each. So for the upsell 5, you get reseller right to Elevate and all Max's, Jake's, and Bill's best-selling products in 2021. And of course, you will enjoy the commissions across. The 6th upsell, which is another reseller right bundle, you get to pick the brains of the 3 rising affiliates and learn everything you need to know to make money online. So guys, I've shown you my bonuses. I've shown you the prices. If this is something you think you need or that will help you or you can benefit from, don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below. But before we go, I'll take you guys to a demo video so that you guys can take a listen to what Jake is saying about this app.
Do this video for you and show you exactly what your website and your blogs are going to look like, okay, with all our content done for you. Okay, now it's going to look something like this when you first come onto it. Okay, obviously all this is customizable, so obviously you could change your name, the pictures and everything like this, but this is obviously the demo version for you guys to show exactly what you guys are going to be getting. So we've got some featured posts here, obviously a video, a welcome video. This is from Max here. You can put your own videos in and stuff like that. Then you have got obviously some done for you blog posts, alright, which we've given you guaranteed approval on as well. And if you get the super bundle as well, you're going to get 100% commission across the whole funnel for all these products that we've done for you on here, alright, which include Fiverr Rocket. So we've got a picture of Fiverr Rocket there, some other pictures here and some other blogs we can go into. So these are all included for you, okay? So we've got the top 10 bloggers on Fiverr. Now we focused on Fiverr as well and put some blogs on Fiverr because Max is a Fiverr specialist. This is how he earns his money day to day. He works on Fiverr and he is the man. He knows exactly what he's doing, and we're going to show you exactly how you can monetize it as well. Alright, so we've got the top 10 bloggers on Fiverr. You can just click on it and you've got these done for you blog posts. Now these are all for you as well. You can customize them yourself, you can add extras in, add in whatever you want. Alright, and as you can see up this side, we've got a sidebar here of subcategories with all of your other blog posts that you're going to get all done for you, okay, as well. All with unique content, and it's all spun, okay, so that's all ready to go. And it's basically putting in links here, and this is telling you about the top bloggers on Fiverr, and it's a little description of each people, and this is where you're going to be able to use some of your rev share links and stuff like that, okay. You've got at the top here blogs, products, YouTube, and contact us as well. So again, you can change these around. move them how you want, but this is exactly sort of how the layout will be. And you've got your other posts on here as well, top 5 gigs and experts. You don't have to have the pictures if you don't want, but I recommend that. It's always good for SEO, which we will explain. You can click on this one, Accelerate Review. This was actually my own product as well, which I'm giving you guys guaranteed approval for as well. And again, this is a review, product review, okay? So it's slightly different layout to the Fiverr one I've just shown you. A little bit more information about the product and stuff like that you can add in here. So you'll be adding in your own affiliate link. Okay, this is where you're going to be doing this. Don't worry, this is all explained in the members area. You're going to get some bonuses as well from us, that you're going to be able to add in there. Pick some of your own bonuses and add them in there. We've given them all for you absolutely free as well, which come with Elevate. Okay, and you can just add in, like I've shown you here, checkout, accelerate, and add your affiliate link in, and that's where you're going to be adding in your affiliate link to. We've got the prices of them and the upgrades, and like I mentioned before, with this product, Fiverr Rocket and Midas Touch, you're going to get 100% on all this price if you pick up the super bundle, which is a really good value. So if you make any sales on this, you're going to get all the money there. Okay, so that is how the website works regarding the reviews as well. You can see how quick and stuff like that it is. Again, this is another done for you one, ready to go, so you'll be able to monetize this site, your own blog site, going from straight away. You don't have to go and find the products or anything like that. They're all ready to go, done for you, blogs ready to go. Alright, and these are converting blogs as well. And you can just customize whatever you want here. Start writing your own blogs as well. Take content from somewhere else that you want to start promoting. It's completely up to you. Okay, you've got YouTube up here as well. If you click on YouTube, you can go over to your YouTube channel, just like Max has there. You've got a contact us button. You can have more things up here. You can customize whatever you want. All right. So this is what you're going to get straight away with your website ready to go, done for your website and done for your blog posts. Okay, you can add them in any order you want, whatever you want. If you want load more, like I said as well, on one of our upsells, we've done a load more blogs for you as well, so you'll be able to monetize even more, including product reviews and stuff on Fiverr ready to go. If you want to pick that upsell and have a bit more choice on what you're putting out there ready to go, you're going to have sort of 12-15 blogs ready to go, be able to monetize it. That's more than enough. Alright, let's have a quick look over into the members area. So when you first come into this members area, this is probably where you're watching one of these videos, and this is where all the training is going to happen. You've got a welcome video, you've got a mindset, okay, that you might not think that's too important, but trust me, it really is, especially when you come to affiliate marketing, because you know, things don't happen overnight. We're not trying to pull any wool over you guys' eyes, and this is what the mindset's about, just making sure you're going to be in the right mindset and focused, ready to start earning your commissions online. Then we've got the actual software, okay, so it's going to show you exactly what you're doing with all of this software, how you're going to go and set up your website and your blogs and stuff like that. Alright, then we've got the Fiverr affiliate program. Like I mentioned before, Max this is his full-time business on Fiverr. This is what he's doing. He is the man. He's doing this all the time, and he's going to show you exactly how to do everything properly, okay, and make sure you guys can start monetizing Fiverr as well.
So guys, for the sake of time, pretty much this is what Elevate is all about. I have shown you the bonuses, I've shown you the demo video, and then I've also talked about the prizes. So guys, if you think it's something you need, don't forget to click on the link that is in my description box below, and then it will take you to my page and my bonuses will be added. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.